How to automatically hide persons who do not have a camera on Zoom. You can automatically hide persons that do not have the camera powered on Zoom for Windows. This will help you see on Zoom the person who are active and will not get your display flooded with connections. So, if you have actually 40 people connected and only 20 have a camera on, then you will see on one page all people. To do this, just open Zoom. You need to have an account on Zoom to set up these settings, so log in with your account on Zoom, like I have here. Now click on the settings button. If you do not see this button, click on the profile icon and from the menu select settings. On this window, select video from the left. Scroll down a bit and you'll see this option. Scroll down a bit and you'll see this option, Hide non-video participants. Check this box. Now you can close the settings. You can now start the meeting. Please note it is also possible to hide non-video participants directly on the meeting. Right-click on the center of the window and select from the menu this option, and people that do not have a camera on will not be displayed. This is how you hide persons that do not have a camera on. If this was useful, please like, share and subscribe. You can also watch more videos from the right. Also, if you have any questions, please ask them in the comments area below.